Today we're making crispy, runny royal baklava! And half a cup of water, perfect balance makes perfect syrup. First, take 1 full cup of sugar. Don't be shy. Now pour it all into the pan. Perfect!
Now add 1 tablespoon honey. This gives that royal shine!
Just a few drops of lemon so the syrup doesn't crystallize. Remember, cold syrup meets hot baklava. That's the magic. More nuts, more crunch. These are thin phyllo sheets. Handle gently, they're very delicate. Lay it flat in the tray, like this. Place 1 sheet flat in the tray. Press lightly into the corners. Every layer needs butter. That's the secret to crispiness. Add a thin, even layer of nuts, not too thick. And now we repeat.
Six to 8 layers at the bottom, hot. Then nuts, and repeat the magic.
Cut now so it won't break later.
A little extra butter because crispy means happy.
180 degrees, about 35 to 40 minutes until golden and crispy. Look at that golden beauty, perfectly crispy.
Remember, cold syrup meets hot baklava. That's the magic.
You must try this. It's crispy, sweet, and absolutely magical.
For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel.